Dolphin Level Probe Installation Tutorial. To configure your tank and obtain the user and password that will give you access to the Diesel Plus Tanks application and to the web www.dieselplus.net, fill in the form that's delivered with the probe, and we'll send you your account with the configured tank and the access details. If your tank has a large capacity and no internal irregularities or pipes that could interfere with the ultrasound signal from the Dolphin probe, you can make a direct connection without the need to install a guide tube. The probe connection is a 2-inch male thread. If your tank does not have a free connection, you will find a template for drilling a hole in the manual. The probe is prepared to be fixed also with screws. If your tank has little distance between walls or has internal irregularities, you must install a guide tube. Otherwise, the measurement will not be correct. The tube must have a diameter of 50 mm. We recommend a rigid PVC pipe. You must take the measurement of the tank to cut the pipe to size. The pipe must reach 5 cm from the bottom of the tank. Cut the lower part of the pipe as a flute. To fix the tube to the probe, you must make 2 holes using the template provided. Place the tube, tighten the screws, and the probe is ready to be mounted in the tank. If you don't have space to place a rigid tube, you can mount a flexible Dolphin tube kit. This is delivered with a swivel connector and with a weight on the bottom. To activate the probe, simply remove the plastic battery protector and the probe will start communicating. Dolphin, the level of your deposits in your hands.